Hi, my name is Stefan. I'm a CEO of OpenAsApp. Our platform turns structured data instantly into apps and conversational interfaces. It means chatbots are voice-enabled systems. Let me explain structured data first. It's databases, lists, spreadsheets with formulas, pivots, charts. That means complex stuff. And our system tries to help you to share that kind of data in a very productive and secure way. But first, let's have a look how that kind of data is shared today. I do it exactly the same. Oh, back. We grab an Excel file, a PDF, a Dropbox link. We put it in an email, send it out once, twice. IT will hate us for that because it's the most secure breach that you can have. This data normally is really static and instantly outdated. And if you look at this screenshot, that's Excel on a mobile device. It simply doesn't work. So you're spending a lot of time and money. You cannot write back data and so on. What our system does, it tries to understand your data, looks for patterns and interesting columns and values. And this app on the right side is instantly created based on your data. That means here we found some good columns, and that's why we integrated a dashboard for you. We built detailed dialogues, lists, or here we found some location data. That's why it's in there. It means we try to understand the data and then build an app instantly for you. And while doing this, we're solving most of your problems. That means this app is always up to date. Whenever the backend data changes, the app changes. And IT loves you again because they have everything under control. There's a user management. You can write back data and you can hold your data on premise, very, very secure. The USP of our system is logic. That means if you throw in data like spreadsheets with Excel or Google Sheets, our apps will preserve the complete functionality. That means if you have a spreadsheet with a rocket science or a cap table calculator or something like that, throw it in and your system will have the same functionality. That means you can recalculate. It's not only beautiful pictures like in BI. You can recalculate, you can simulate, you can write back, and so on. The best thing is it can be done by yourself, by your team. You nearly have the full power of spreadsheets done by self-service, no code, and perhaps you get a feeling about the market. There are 1.3 billion Excel users out there and a few 100 million Google Sheets users and so on. This works for nearly every backend data, and we always respect the security of the backend system. If you look at the right side, there's an iOS version of an app, an Android, a web version, a Slack integration. And the guy on the right side, at the bottom, that's the managing director of Microsoft in Germany. He's just demoing our Cortana integration. That means this guy is talking to his sales report. Now let's build an app together. I've prepared a click demo. So throw in your data. System tries to analyze the stuff. So in this example, we found some charts, some print definitions, some lists and values. And the system tries to instantly build an app for you, a dashboard in this way, but we want to go for a calculator. And now all you have to do is simply select the cells that you're interested in. It's like a publishing process. The system does all the rest. Then perhaps add a theme. System tries to help you doing a good UI. Grab the charts that are already inside the spreadsheet. The printing settings. You can change everything if you want. Just press a button and rearrange and so on. And now your app is ready. You can instantly share it by social or by invitation and so on. This app that I've built in 1 minute, here you have the web version, we have the iOS version, and you have a Teams integration, so the chatbot and your team or yourself or your customers can build their own quote with the logic of the spreadsheet. To give you some sense for value for the customers, this is an example from PricewaterhouseCoopers that they had an Excel-based offering calculator, and it took them 3.5 months for a native iPad app. Using our system, they were ready after 50 minutes. So right now, these are all paying customers. Right now, we're focusing on the insurance, the banking area, and consulting, but it's a very horizontal solution. It's just our focus right now. It's a per user per month subscription model between 6 and 15 euro per user per month. Right now we have 30K MRR, but at the end of the year it will be 50 to 60 because we passed procurement for some big guys like PricewaterhouseCoopers and Commerzbank in Germany. But now, at the end, let's talk about our vision. What can you do with an API that creates apps based on your data? You can integrate it into existing systems. Think about PDF. In every system, you have a save as PDF version. Think about a publish as app functionality in Google Sheets, in Excel, in a SAP or CRM. Partners already have done this. They integrated it into Dynamics. We are preparing a Google Sheets add-in, Teams. And here's the vision. We want to be this new standard for sharing structured data. And we want to be open as app exactly as commonplace as save as PDF. So much to tell about the team. 2.5 years old, 12 people, 80% developers, only one sales guy right now. Thanks a lot.